And I hope you enjoyed this weekend's weather. It was windy, but temperatures were comfortable, and we did see a good bit of sunshine today. Here's a time lapse from Boca Raton A.D. Henderson School, and you can see the blue skies with the clouds and then a nice little sunset there, pretty to look at tonight. So, as we head into the next few days, temperatures will be staying on the warm side. Right now, you can see a big difference in temperatures by the coast. It's still warm, 79 Boynton, 79 Boca Raton, but inland places like Okeechobee, they're down to 70 degrees right now. And the winds starting to come down a little bit, breeziest at the coast with winds sustained out of the east at 12 miles per hour. Now, we do have a coastal flood statement or advisory in effect through Monday morning, and that's due to coastal flooding at the time of high tide. This time of year, we often have king tides, which are exceptionally high tides, sometimes up to a foot higher than the average high tide. Also, a small craft advisory in effect through early Monday. So how are the winds doing this work week? Well, they'll stay breezy Monday, Tuesday, but coming down noticeably and then go back up for Wednesday into Thursday. Still staying windy Friday and Saturday, and then back down for Sunday. So here's the setup. We have a frontal boundary that's sagging southward through the U.S. We also have a little area we're watching in the tropics that could develop into a depression or a storm very, very briefly before it races off to the east-northeast. But we're kind of squeezed in between the two, so it will likely increase our moisture, giving us a slightly better chance of showers, especially along the coastline, mainly Tuesday, mainly overnight Monday into Tuesday. But by Tuesday night, we're looking better, and by Wednesday, it will be cooler and windy as that front goes through. So sustained winds out of the east keeps those clouds moving quickly. Monday mainly dry, but there's a possibility of a few showers, especially Monday night. And then it's overnight Monday into Tuesday, where again, most of the activity is out over the Atlantic waters, but from time to time, we do see a few of those showers graze the coastline, and then we'll get some rain on Tuesday. But notice it dries out nicely for Tuesday evening, so that's good for the trick-or-treaters. And then the front comes through on Wednesday with clearing skies behind it. In the tropics tonight, we have two areas we're watching. Tammy no longer, now a post-tropical cyclone. This is what we're calling Invest 96L, and you can see it's moving northwest at 16, but then it's expected to take that sharp turn to the east-northeast as that frontal boundary swoops down and it merges with that. Now, it really won't bother us, so that's good, except for the fact that it might increase our moisture just a little bit. This does now have a 40% chance of development, and an area in the Caribbean. These showers and storms could develop into an area of low pressure in the central Caribbean, about a 30% chance tonight. So we'll be watching that closely for you. And here on the precipitable water, you can easily see there's Invest 96L, whatever form it's in. It stays to our east. It pulls away. Here comes all that nice drier air for Wednesday and especially into Thursday too. So for tonight, 75 degrees, staying dry tomorrow, 85 degrees. For the boaters, still rough out there. Wind out of the east-northeast, 20 to 25 knots. And here's your 7-day forecast. Temps in the mid to upper 80s. So Wednesday, hot right before the cold front comes through, and then it's going to cool us down for Thursday into Friday, and the winds will continue Thursday through Sunday.